Hello everyone to a new Stable Diffusion ComfyUI tutorial. Today, we are going to dive together through a very practical and useful workflow that turns any generated image, in any style, turns it to a vector art style and provides an Adobe Illustrator file for you to further iterate with. If you don't know what is Stable Diffusion is generative AI tools that uses diffusion models to produce various visual generations. ComfyUI is a node-based interface of Stable Diffusion that allows the user to customize different workflows. It is free to download, but you have to check out your system properties if it meet the minimum system requirements of ComfyUI. You should also download the ComfyUI Manager and download the required custom nodes from here. So this is the workflow we made. Here we have an input image for us to drag to. The checkpoint model I have used is Realistic Vision. You can find it on Civit AI website. You have to download it and place it to the checkpoints folder under ComfyUI folders repository. We also have the control net placed here. We select the lineart control net type. The LoRa models here are the most important part. The first one is vector illustration, and the second one is AIDVN. Download them and place them under the LoRa folder. We are using an advanced sampler with just 20 steps. I am using a custom V, but it can be any type of V you want. The sampling process is going to be fast. The last nodes here are the converters nodes to vector files, which are again crucial. So let's start tweaking to see the results. As you can see, the output is surely impressive. Queue until you find the image that you liked. The clouds on the background are stunning here. We will find the vector files under the output folder. Simply open it using Adobe Illustrator, and from here you can iterate with it. If you want to learn more about ComfyUI, check out our Udemy course for Stable Diffusion. Thank you for watching.